How to log in to Outlook account. So if you want to log into your Outlook account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Outlook, and on the first search you will have outlook.live.com. Click on that, and on the upper right corner you will have a sign in option. Click on sign in. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. So now to log in or to sign in, you have to first enter your email address. And after entering your email address, you have to click on next. But if you want to create a new account, then you have to click here, which says create one. But if you don't want to create and if you want to log in, then enter your email, and now you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can click on here to verify. You have to enter the email address, and after that you can click on get code, and you will get a code on this email address, and after entering that code you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then enter your password here, and after that click on sign in, and then it is asking if you want to stay signed in. Okay, click on S, and that's it. That's how you log into Outlook account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.